Most people assume that if someone is successful in other areas of life, they should naturally do well in trading too. It sounds reasonable. If someone is intelligent, disciplined, and successful in school or business, then trading should just be another skill they can master, right? But when you look at reality, something doesn't add up. Many people who are highly successful outside of trading struggle badly when they enter the markets. And not just struggle, they fail in ways that don't even make sense to them. So the question becomes, why? Why would someone who has already proven they can succeed in life suddenly become confused, emotional, and inconsistent in trading? It's not because they lack intelligence. It's not because they don't work hard. And it's not even because they don't understand strategy. The real reason is that trading requires a completely different way of thinking. Almost the opposite of what we've been taught our entire lives. Think about how most of us were raised. From a young age, we learn that if we do things the right way, we should get the right results. Study hard, pass exams, work hard, get promoted, prepare well, increase your chances of success. Over time, this builds a strong belief. Effort and correctness should lead to predictable outcomes. And in most areas of life, that belief works. But trading doesn't follow that structure. In trading, you can do everything right and still lose. You can follow your plan perfectly and still lose. You can take a clean setup, and the market still goes the opposite way. Now imagine what that does to someone trained to expect a clear link between doing things right and getting rewarded. It creates confusion. It creates frustration and eventually emotional reactions. Because deep down the mind is saying, this shouldn't be happening. I did everything correctly. That's where the problem begins. The issue is not the market. The issue is the expectation of certainty. Most people come into trading believing, consciously or not, that if they learn enough or analyze well enough, they can predict what happens next. But trading doesn't reward prediction. It doesn't reward being right. It rewards something completely different. It rewards the ability to operate in uncertainty. It rewards thinking in probabilities. So instead of thinking, this trade should work, you begin to think, this trade has a chance of working. Instead of, if I do everything right, I must win, you accept, even when I do everything right, I can still lose. That shift is simple, but not easy, because it goes against everything we've learned about success. In school, being right is everything. In life, being right is rewarded. But in trading, being right is not the goal. Consistency is